There you are. Hey, come here. I want to show you this. So this is our latest project here. We're going to be giving this CTS-V a full exterior polishing and a ceramic coating. Our client said this thing's a 20-footer, and his goal is to get it at least down to a 4-footer. So follow along, hang out, watch the transformation. Let us know what you think.